Hi, this is Mr. Shumway. This video clip explains how to construct a circle that circumscribes a random triangle. Another way to say that would be to say create a circle around a triangle. That circle goes through all three vertices, all 3 points of that triangle. Here's an example. So even if I change any of those points, the center of the circle changes, the size of the circle changes, but all of those points are on the circle. So try it on your own. Here's a hint. Use some of the constructions that we have used prior to this exercise. Anyways, when you think you've tried long enough and would like me to show you how, then continue this video. Go ahead and pause it for now and try it on your own. So 3 random points, and connect those points with line segments. So that's a random triangle. It looks kind of like an equilateral triangle, so I'm going to stretch it a little bit. Click on the arrow just to show that all of the sides do not have the same length. So now I'm going to do perpendicular bisectors of each side using circles. Intersecting those circles. Creating lines through the intersections of those 2 circles. Intersecting that side of the triangle with the perpendicular bisector gives us a point. Guess we don't need that point, so I'm going to undo. So we'll grab our circle and do that for each side. Now watch what happens on this last one. Intersect those 2 circles. Oops, get out of it into the intersect tool. I'm going to have to zoom a little here. Zoom out, really. Okay, create my line between that point and that point, the intersection of those 2 circles. It intersects at the same place as the other 2 perpendicular bisectors did. So I'm going to intersect 2 of those. 2 is all that's needed. That will be the center of the circle that circumscribes that triangle. Now I'm going to not make that. I'm going to get out of there. I'm going to hide some of these other circles so that you can see what's going on. Okay, now I'm going to come back and get a circle, and starting at that center with the intersection of those perpendicular bisectors of the sides crossed, then go to one of the points and click. Well, it intersects at the other points as well. So now I can hide those lines. Oops. Click on the arrow there. Hide the lines. Don't need a bunch of points. That's better. I guess we can put D back in it. I kind of want that point K back in there because that's the center of that circle. Now if I move any of those points, the center and the size of the circle change, but it still goes through all 3 points. So we have constructed a circle that circumscribes a random triangle.